Hello, welcome back. Here I'm going to show you how assignment system work in WhatsApp bot builder. So here in the top of the interface under chats, you would see this drop down. And here we have three options, all, mine, and unassigned. So all chat, this section shows all the conversation your business is handling in WhatsApp, listed from most recent to the oldest. Then under mine, if you are logged in as a business owner or a staff member, this section will show only the chats that have been assigned to you. For example, if I log in as the business owner, or if I am a team member and a chat is assigned to me, I'll find it under my chats. Then we have unassigned, which means those chats which haven't assigned to anyone yet, all those chats will appear under unassigned. Now, let's say I click on a conversation with Ram. On the right hand side, I have this contact card. Here you can see that the chat is open and this chat is not assigned to anyone. So how you can assign it to someone? Let's say if I want to assign this to myself, I can click on this button, assign me, and this chat is now assigned to me. And I can also find it here under mine chat since this is assigned to me. Let's say if I want to go and assign it to someone else from my team, I'll go here and change the assignment to Aarti. And now this chat is removed from mine contact and this will now appears in Aarti's mine contact. So that was the one thing which I wanted to point out here. One important thing is, let's say now this as chat is assigned to Aarti. But what if I go and type in here something to this customer? You would see, even though I have sent this message to the customer and this chat is assigned to Aarti, this will still be assigned to Aarti, which means if a chat is assigned to someone else from your team and you send a message on that chat, that will not be assigned to yourself and that will remain with the person who was previously handling that chat. Why we have done this process? Because this way no chats are reassigned by mistake and team members stay in control of their assigned conversation. Now let me show you one more thing. Let me mark this chat as closed. Give it a minute. Now you can see here is the message, web is working, which means your automation is working. But as soon as I send a message now, you would see that the message will change here and here it is saying web is not working, which means as soon as you send a message to a customer and that chat was marked as closed. In that scenario, automation will be automatically turned off so that bot will not interfere or they will not invade your conversation with the customer. As soon as you mark a chat as closed, you would see the change in the message which is saying web is working, which means automation is turned on. So automation will be turned off as soon as you start interacting and it will be turned on as soon as you close the conversation. One more important thing, the person who would be reopening a chat, you would see I have reopened this and this chat will be automatically assigned to me, which means whenever someone reopens a chat, it will automatically assign itself to the agent who opened it, who can then decide if they want to reassign it to someone else or want to continue keeping the conversation with themselves. So that's a quick overview of how the assignment system work in the WhatsApp bot builder. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our team through the chats. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.